Please guys like and subscribe and comment to this channel so that you don't miss out once we drop a new video. The exciting world of Forex trading during the New York session. As European traders return from their lunch breaks, the US session kicks off at 8:00 a.m. EST. This is when traders, whether rolling into the office or just out of bed in their home office, start making moves in the market. New York, famously known as the city that never sleeps, becomes the center of attention. With its fast pace, bright lights, and bustling energy, it's no wonder that about 17% of all Forex transactions happen here. Let's dive into what makes this session unique and why it's crucial for traders worldwide. New York trading session runs from 13:00 to 22:00 GMT, which translates to 8:00 a.m. to 5:00 p.m. local New York time. This window is when the U.S. financial markets are most active and traders from around the globe tune in. The session overlaps with the end of the European session, creating a period of high liquidity and volatility. This overlap is especially important for those looking to capitalize on market movements and maximize trading opportunities. Understanding the timing is key to planning your trading strategy and making the most of the session. New York isn't just another financial center, it's a powerhouse. Alongside other North American hubs like Toronto and Chicago, New York sets the tone for global Forex trading during its session. The city's influence means that traders worldwide keep a close eye on what's happening here. The sheer volume of transactions and the presence of major financial institutions make it a focal point for market activity. If you're serious about Forex trading, understanding the dynamics of the New York session is essential. You might hear traders refer to the New York session as the North American trading session. That's because in addition to New York, other major financial centers in North America, such as Toronto and Chicago, are also open. This broader perspective highlights the interconnectedness of the region's markets and the significant role they play in global Forex trading. No matter what you call it, this session is a major player in the Forex world. During the New York session, pip volatility varies across different currency pairs. For example, EUR/USD averages 16 pips per hour, GBP/USD 20, and USD-JPY 23. Other pairs like AUD/USD and NZD/USD see slightly lower volatility, while pairs like GBP/JPY can reach up to 31 pips per hour. These values are based on historical averages and can fluctuate depending on market conditions and liquidity. Knowing the typical pip ranges helps traders set realistic expectations and manage risk effectively. It's important to remember that the pip values provided are averages based on past data. They are not set in stone and can change depending on current liquidity and market conditions. Factors like economic news, global events, and shifts in trader sentiment can all impact volatility. Always stay alert and be ready to adjust your strategy as the market evolves. Flexibility is key to successful trading. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to this channel. If you want the full course, click the link on my bio to connect with us so that you can also get your own free course. Keep up with current pip ranges. Tools like the Market Milk TM app can be incredibly helpful. These platforms provide real-time data on average pip movements for various currency pairs during different sessions. For instance, you can quickly check the average pip range for EUR/USD during the New York session and adjust your trading plan accordingly. Leveraging technology ensures you're always informed and ready to act. New York session can be divided into three distinct parts: the morning session from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. EST, the lunch hour from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., and the afternoon session from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Most of the trading action and volatility occur during the morning, when both US and European markets are open. Understanding this structure helps traders identify the best times to enter and exit trades for maximum impact. Morning session is where most of the excitement happens. With both the US and European markets open, liquidity and volatility are at their peak. This is the prime time for traders looking to capitalize on rapid price movements and news releases. If you want to catch the biggest moves, focus your attention on the morning hours of the New York session. From 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. EST, the market typically experiences a slowdown as traders take their lunch break. During this hour, trading activity and volatility often decrease, making it a less favorable time for entering new trades. It's a good opportunity to review your positions, analyze the morning's activity, and prepare for the afternoon session. Afternoon session, running from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. EST, sees a gradual decline in trading activity. As European markets close, liquidity and volatility tend to decrease. While there are still opportunities, traders should be cautious and avoid overtrading during this quieter period. It's important to recognize when the market is winding down and adjust your strategy accordingly. Technically, the New York session doesn't end until 5 p.m. EST, but trading activity drops sharply after the U.S. stock market closes at 4 p.m. Most traders consider it risky to trade beyond this point due to low liquidity and increased unpredictability. It's generally safer to wrap up your trades before the market quiets down. To help traders keep track of global market hours, tools like the Forex Market Hours tool can be invaluable. These resources allow you to visualize when different sessions are open in your local time, making it easier to plan your trading day and avoid missing key opportunities. One of the standout features of the New York session is the high liquidity during the morning hours. This is when the US and European sessions overlap, creating a surge in trading volume and opportunities. Traders can take advantage of tighter spreads and more predictable price movements during this time. Most major US economic reports are released near the start of the New York session. Since about 85% of all Forex trades involve the US dollar, these reports can have a significant impact on the markets. Key releases like the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions, GDP reports, and non-farm payroll data can cause sharp price movements, so traders need to stay alert and ready to react. As the European markets close, the New York session enters a quieter phase. Liquidity and volatility tend to decrease, making it harder to find good trading opportunities. This is a good time to be cautious and avoid taking unnecessary risks. Recognizing the afternoon slowdown can help you protect your profits and avoid losses. Friday afternoons are unique in the Forex market. As Asian traders head out for leisure and European traders wind down for the weekend, market activity slows considerably. There's also a higher chance of reversals in the second half of the session, as US traders close their positions to avoid weekend exposure. It's wise to be extra cautious and consider wrapping up trades early on Fridays. The overlap between the US and European sessions creates a period of intense trading activity. Banks and multinational companies are highly active, leading to increased liquidity and more trading opportunities. This overlap is the best time to trade major and minor currency pairs, as spreads are tighter and price movements are more predictable. During the New York session, you can trade virtually any currency pair, but it's best to focus on the major and minor pairs. The US dollar is the most heavily traded currency, so pairs like EUR-USD, GBP-USD, USD-JPY, USD-CAD, and USD-CHF are particularly active. Avoid exotic pairs as they tend to have wider spreads and less predictable movements. US dollar is on one side of the majority of Forex transactions during the New York session. This means that any significant US economic news or data releases can have a dramatic effect on the markets. Traders worldwide pay close attention to these events, as they often trigger sharp price movements and create trading opportunities. Crucial US economic data, such as Federal Reserve interest rate decisions, GDP reports, and non-farm payroll (NFP) data are typically released during the New York session. These reports can cause significant volatility, so it's important to be aware of the economic calendar and plan your trades accordingly. Being prepared can help you take advantage of market movements and avoid surprises. When US economic reports come in better or worse than expected, the Forex market can react dramatically. The US dollar may surge or drop quickly, affecting all related currency pairs. Traders need to be ready for sudden moves and have a plan in place to manage risk during these volatile periods. Major currency pairs like EUR-USD, GBP-USD, USD-JPY, USD-MXN, and USD-CAD are especially active during the New York session. These pairs benefit from high liquidity and tight spreads, making them ideal choices for traders looking to capitalize on market movements. If you're based in North America or prefer trading during US business hours, the New York session could be a great fit. It offers ample liquidity and volatility, especially for USD pairs. However, if you're uncomfortable with high volatility or prefer quieter markets, you might want to explore other sessions that better match your trading style. The New York session is particularly attractive for news traders. With so many important US economic releases scheduled during this time, there are frequent opportunities to profit from sharp market movements. Just remember, trading on news can be risky, so always use proper risk management techniques. While volatility can create great trading opportunities, it also increases risk. If you thrive in fast-moving markets and enjoy the excitement, the New York session is for you. But if you prefer a more relaxed trading environment, consider focusing on quieter sessions with less volatility. Confused about which session to trade? It's all about finding the right fit for your lifestyle and trading goals. The New York session offers excitement and opportunity, but it's not the only option. Explore different sessions, test your strategies, and see what works best for you. To sum up, the New York session is a powerhouse of Forex trading. With high liquidity, major economic news releases, and active currency pairs, it offers plenty of opportunities for traders. Understanding its structure and timing can help you make smarter trading decisions and boost your success. Remember, the New York session is all about timing, liquidity, and news. Focus on the morning hours for the most action, keep an eye on economic reports, and always manage your risk. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, mastering the New York session can give you a real edge in the Forex market. Now that you understand the ins and outs of the New York Forex session, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Use the tools and tips we've discussed to plan your trading day, stay informed, and make confident decisions. The Forex market is always moving. Make sure you're ready to move with it.